ready to ditch those frustrating losses and finally dominate Block Blast. First, master the art of preplanning. Before dropping any block, scan the entire board. Visualize where future blocks can fit, not just the immediate placement. Think 2 or 3 moves ahead. Second, prioritize clearing full lines whenever possible. This creates more space and prevents the board from filling up too quickly. Look for opportunities to set up combos by creating multiple line clears with a single block. Third, be mindful of your available block shapes. Don't waste a valuable long block on a short line. Save it for when you can clear an entire row or column. Similarly, use smaller blocks to fill in gaps and create opportunities for larger clearances later. Fourth, avoid completely filling the board. Leaving small pockets of space allows for more flexibility and gives you more options when new blocks appear. A full board is a game over waiting to happen. Fifth and finally, practice. The more you play, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns, predicting block placements, and implementing these strategies. Keep at it, and you'll see your scores skyrocket.